Hello everyone, this is a continuation, right? This is a part 2 on how to do the Eskrima-Kali-Arnis Bagging. Okay, so application of a variety and complex of strikes using a simulation. For this training video, I'm going to use my punching bag. Alright, so the first video that I did was the linear strike, okay, linear tigbas, taga strike. The second one, this one, is I'm going to do the curb strike, curb or witik, curb strike or witik, korbada. So it's going to be like this. So from a fighting stance, yeah, witik, yes, fighting stance, right? Fighting stance. So this is my fighting stance, right? So from here, you have to do a forehand curb strike, okay? Witik, korbada, witik. 1, 2 strikes to the head, then 1 strike to the body. The purpose for this strike to the body or plancha, for you to transfer your wrist. At the same time, you strike your opponent, then do a backhand witik, backhand curb, backhand korbada. So to the head, 1, 2, then plancha, backhand, okay? Backhand horizontal strike to the body. Then again, same, head, body, head, body. So curb, witik, 1, 2, 1, 2, plancha, witik, witik, plancha, curb, horizontal strike, curb, horizontal strike, witik, witik, plancha, witik, witik, plancha. Alright? So that you have that strike. Fast, hard, strike fast, strike hard. Alright? That's how you do the Eskrima-Kali-Arnis bagging. See you in the next bagging.